The Baumol-Tobin model, developed by William Baumol and James Tobin, explains why people hold cash for daily transactions, even though they could earn interest by keeping that money in a bank or bonds. The theory treats money like an inventory. Just as a store manager decides how much stock to keep on shelves to avoid running out while minimizing storage costs, an individual decides how much cash to keep in their pocket to handle daily spending while minimizing costs. 1. The core trade-off. Intuitively, you are caught between two conflicting costs. Foregone interest, opportunity cost. Money sitting in your wallet earns 0% interest. If you kept it in a savings account or bonds, it would grow. Therefore, holding cash is expensive because of the interest you lose. Transaction costs, shoeleather costs. If you keep all your money in the bank to earn interest, you have to go to the ATM or bank every single time you want to buy a coffee. This costs you time, effort, and sometimes transaction fees. The goal: find the sweet spot, the optimal cash balance, where the sum of these two costs is at its lowest. 2. How the variables work. Intuition. Change in variable. Intuitive reaction. Effect on money demand. Higher interest rates. Holding cash is costing me too much in lost interest. Decreases. You go to the bank more often but hold less cash at once. Higher transaction fees. The bank ATM fee is too high. I'll withdraw a large amount and stay away for a while. Increases. You hold larger average cash balances to avoid frequent trips. Higher income/spending. I'm spending more money daily, so I naturally need more cash on hand. Increases. But notably, it increases less than proportionately due to economies of scale. 3. The sawtooth pattern. Imagine you receive 1,200 at the start of the month and spend it at a steady rate. If you withdraw it all at once, your average balance is 600, but you earn 0 interest. If you withdraw 600 twice, your average balance drops to 300. You earn interest on the other 600 for half the month, but you paid 2 transaction fees. 4. The famous square root result. The mathematical conclusion of this intuition is known as the square root formula. It suggests that the demand for money, M, is proportional to the square root of income, Y, and transaction costs, F, and inversely proportional to the interest rate, I. Why the square root? This represents economies of scale. If your income doubles, you don't need to double your cash holdings. You might only need to increase them by about 41%, square root of 2 approx 1.41. This is because you can manage your inventory of cash more efficiently as you get wealthier. Summary: Baumol's theory proves that transaction demand is sensitive to interest rates. This was a major shift from earlier theories like the classical view, which assumed people only held cash based on their income level regardless of how high interest rates were.